How about that for a view, eh? Not sure if you can hear me over the noise of the water. I'm just out again, having a little walk, local woodland, getting me exercise in for the day. Going to stop for a brew in a second. We're in very strange times at the moment. I hope everybody's keeping safe, following the advice. As you can see, I'm out in the woodland on my own, no one about at all. I haven't seen, since I left home, I've actually seen no vehicles walking up the road. I saw one person in the garden, and this area is, well, it's tucked out of the way, so I'm not really likely to see anybody here, but it's just a beautiful little spot. Hey, how about that? Look at that. Yeah, what a place to come and relax. I just feel so lucky that we found this spot. We've got a lovely cottage and lovely garden. Very lucky, very fortunate. I know a lot more people are a lot less fortunate than us. And there's lots of people going to be struggling after this. Now, we was taking the dog for a walk this morning, and I said to the wife, I'm not really into conspiracy theories or anything, but it does make you wonder if it's nature doing a bit of a rebalancing act. I mean, look at this, look how beautiful this is. I've seen deer this morning, well, pretty much where I saw its arse as it went over the hill. I've seen buzzards, rabbits, squirrels, you know, all out in nature. This looks a pretty good little spot for a coffee, actually. It's still quite cool, so hopefully there's not going to be too many midges about. Yeah, I think I'll stop here, have my coffee, and find somewhere to sit. But what a place, eh? What a place. This water's fresh. I've filtered it, and I do use it for making a brew with. So, you know, I've got water filtration, so the water's pretty clean. To be honest, I guess you could near enough drink this because it goes all through the rocks and sand and gravel and clay. So I'm assuming it is pretty clean anyway. Although, with the amount of rain we've had, you can get a bit of sewage seepage from the roads and stuff, so I probably wouldn't drink from it straight away without doing either boiling it or using a bit of sanitising stuff and filtration. So I'll just hold up a minute and I'm going to get a coffee on and then I'll be back. As you can see, I've got the kettle on. That's me, it's a homemade wood burner. You can get those bottoms from most of the big DIY stores. I think they're for toilet roll holders or something for the bathroom. But you just cut a box out of the bottom. It's got plenty of holes to let the air in. My little Trangia kettle on there. And get some dry wood. I'll carry a bag of for me little bits of wood in there. So yeah, just got the kettle on. Wait for that to boil, and then didn't say I couldn't have a break, did it, when I was having my exercise? So yeah, I've been out walking for about an hour, and I'm going to have a brew. Then I'm going to be heading back home for lunch. This is, you know, I wouldn't think there's anything wrong with the world like at the moment. Very strange times, very strange times. I'm trying to talk quite quietly because about 100 metres that way, over that way, up over the hill, is the road. So, and I noticed there's some guys doing some stuff to telegraph poles. But we're quite well out, tucked out of the way here. Yeah, my kettles are boiling away. Not boiling yet, I've got my mug. Yeah. A bit untangled. So I've got my mug. And that's me water filtration. So basically you fill that up with water, you put a bottle, screw a bottle on the end of it, and you squeeze it through and it filters the water. Excellent bit of kit that is, really good. I'm looking over no fancy coffee, just a simple old Nescafe original 2-in-1, because I'm sweet enough. So I'm not going to miss. What could be better than this? What could be better than this? Could have some sausages on the go, sizzling away. Perhaps another time. Perhaps another time we'll have the sausages on the go. There's a good little stove, really. Just keep it filled up. That water's only been there on the go a couple of minutes. It's already starting to heat up. It won't be long. Okay, I'm going to switch off now in a minute. Have me coffee. Everybody try and stay safe, listen to the advice, keep your hands clean, avoid going out. You know, that's what me and my wife are doing. We're just staying away from people, perhaps a little bit over the top, but I'm going to try and keep away from people for a while. Bit hard not seeing the grandson. Obviously he's well, he's fit and well, but he's got a bit of a lung condition. Wife's got MS again, not bad. You know, you just got to be careful in times like this. Stay away. Don't go to supermarkets. Buy local. Buy from the little butcher's shop. You know, fewer people. Buy a bit of bread from the bakers. You're not going on the piss in the pub. You're not going out to the pub. You save a bit of money on fuel at the moment, so you can spend a bit more on buying quality gear. You know, eat your fruit and vegetables. Keep your immune system up as much as possible. But that's enough preaching from me. So I'm going to have my coffee now. Sign off. I'll see you all again soon. Take care. Stay safe.